Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have another haul for you today. So this is a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to start with my florals because I love these. I've hauled these before and they were just in different colors. But I got these long stem pumpkin fillers, and there were actually 5 of these left in my Dollar Tree, and I should have just gone ahead and grabbed the last one, but there was a lady standing there. I think she was waiting for me to move on. So I was like, you know what, I'll just leave one. So these are 2 different colors. This is a lighter orange compared to this. This is more brown. If you can see the color differences right there. So this is an orange, brighter orange, and this is more of a brown. So I got 2 of these, 2 of the orange, and then 2 of the brown. And I have an arrangement I want to do for my fall. Look at that. And then adding other colors to it would be so cute. So there you have that. I got florals. There weren't many. I mean, there were a lot of florals, but I still have to unpack my holidays and see what I do have in my storage. I went there actually to get nails and zip ties. So I'm going to use these zip ties to help me with my storage. I'm going to put some of my, I don't know, you guys have seen those cubes, metal cubes I have a shelf put together, but they're still left over. So I figure put them together and then put it on the wall, and that way I can hang some of my supplies so that they're easily accessible. I can get to them quicker, like my cutting boards and rulers and stuff like that. So I got a pack of these. I was actually looking for the shorter ones, but this was all they had, this and the white, and they were the same length. I got more of the foam tape because I am going through this sucker like quick. So that's what I got. And I just need to bring this over here. Sorry for the noise, guys. I did pick up 2 of the Halloween, the wood stickers. So they're wooden, or what are they called? Like veneer or whatever. It's like thin wood. But I picked 2 packs up, and I picked up the plain wood. Like there's no glitter, but there's still stickers. I love those. Those are very cute. I was looking for the pumpkins, the orange pumpkin ones, but they didn't have it. Not this Dollar Tree. I picked this little Halloween sign up. It says eat, drink, and be scary. And I think I want to put the witch's hat somewhere on the board, and then add a bat maybe up here, and you know, just add a little bit more depth to this little sign. And I plan on putting that on our little bar in the dining room. I also found some Halloween confetti. So these are, oh, they're gonna be hard to see. The black cats. There you go. You can see some part of it. And then the orange is the boo. It says boo on there, and you can see that. Some of that. And these are witches on brooms. That's even harder to see. Can't really see well, but I got that. That's the pack. And then I got some spiders. This was red spiders. And then we have black spider webs. You can obviously see that right there. And then we have orange pumpkins. Sequins. So that'll make for a fun shaker. Love that. I also found these again. So I picked up one of the metal words. It says thankful harvest and welcome. I picked that up. This was in the back. It was just random somewhere. and I saw the seashells, and then I picked it up, and they're party bags, little party favor bags. I thought they're very cute. I've never seen this before. I haven't. And they're little, they look like popcorn, little popcorn bags. Isn't that cute? So just use this as a mini, what are they called? Mini stuffed bag, whatever. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, I was thinking of that for Happy Mail. So I thought that was cute, and it's a fun little shape. Like, I would probably use it for other projects. Guys, I'm so sorry for the crinkling. I can't do that. Okay, and then I saw these at the front. Never seen these before. These are from the Crown Jewels collection, and they're the puffy mermaid stickers. I've always seen the llama and the unicorn. I've never seen the mermaid, so I picked up two. I love this. And she's purple. I'm a purple fan. Okay, I picked up two of these men's fun socks. Figured these would make great stocking stuffers. Picked that up. And I was watching Lolly something. Oh gosh, I forgot her name. Dang it, I was watching her like recently. Anyway, she was organizing with these pencil pouches, and right now in my life I need this. You just take these out and store all your ephemera, and you can see everything in here. The only thing is I forgot to pick up the binder rings, so I picked up 5 just like that. I got 2 gray, 2 purple, and 1 pink. And trust me, I was digging, looking for the more pink and more purple, but that was what I got. Okay, back to the fall. I picked 2 of the pumpkins up with the clips, with the little clips on them. I picked up 2, and those will go in our little projects. Whoops. I saw everyone hauling these, the wooden pumpkins, the ornaments, so we're gonna work on a garland. I got 2 packs, and they come with a count of 5. That's a good amount for $1. And they also provide the string, so that's good. I picked up the pumpkins, and I picked up the leaves. They did have the witch's hat, the jack-o'-lantern, and what was the other one? I think the ghost. But I said I'll just get these for now. I got two of each. And then I had a project that I was gonna do before I first moved, and I couldn't do it because I was out of moss. So I had to get 3 bags of the green moss, floral moss. So I got 3 of these. I'm gonna leave it in the bag because there's stuff coming out of it. Okay, and my last bag that I have, I picked up 2 more of their LED light bulbs. These light bulbs I love. They're currently in my room. They give good lighting for my videos. So I picked up 2 more. I also picked up the you guys are gonna laugh. The Family, Friends, and Football little wooden plaque. So I love that. Pick that up. 2 more signs. I picked this one up, Farm Fresh, and this is gonna go in my kitchen. I love that. I just don't know about the metal leaf. We'll see. And then the other sign I picked up was the red truck, Happy Harvest. Very cute. No reasons for anything, just because I like them. And then they had 6. This is the last of their hexagon shelf, display shelf. So I grabbed them. I mean, I know you can spray paint these, but I want these up on my wall to get my craft room organized. So I was going to do one like this, and that is what I wanted to mount on my wall. So I got 6 of these, and they're pretty cute. You can see how you can display them, display your stuff in them. So we'll see how that goes, and then I want to share my craft room as soon as I get these projects all done. And that is it for Dollar Tree. So I just want to thank you all for joining me and being so patient with me. I wanted to finish my move with a tour of my craft room, but you know, it's been slow going because of all the, you know, got to get the husband and the kids back to work and back to school. So mom put everything on hold, and everything is still kind of in a mess. So I'm still working on it, and I do really want to share with you the final results of my craft room. So yeah, it's been an adventure for this move. One of the hardest moves we've ever had to do. And I've also wanted to thank you all. You guys have all been so supportive. I've seen some new subbies, and I really appreciate you all joining our little family. And I hope you all stick around and join in. I'm planning for a birthday challenge giveaway. So if you all stick with me, my birthday is coming up soon, and I want to get this giveaway going and give back to you all for joining my little channel. So give this video a thumbs up, please. If you like, subscribe to join our family, and share this video. So I love you all, and thank you again for joining me. Have a blessed day. Bye.